Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Todd Collins. Today I'm over here at Handle Hobbies right here in Rancho Cucamonga. I'm going to pick up some upgrades for the TRX-4m Defender that I just bought. So I'm going to run in here, see what they have to buy, and I'll show you guys shortly what I bought. Well, I made it back from Handle Hobbies. I went there looking for some upgrades for my Defender, the TRX-4m Defender, and let me show you the Defender. There it is right here. So this is what I was going for. The upgrades for the Defender. You know, I don't know, some scale, maybe shocks. I don't know what I was looking for. Well, I did get an upgrade. Not really to the Defender, but I ended up upgrading completely to the High Trail. Yeah, didn't see that one coming. Okay, so let's do the unboxing on my new TRX-4m Cheyenne. Now I did get the blue one, but before we open it up, let's take a look at the box panels. So this is the front box panel on the back. I guess they're about the same because this one is the blue side. The only difference here is that's the red side, and the top of the box shows you just the chassis and some of the information up there. It tells you it's 18th scale on this side, and then on this back panel over here just shows you the color and the available models. All right, so let's open this up. Time to put some new blades in. Oh, just lost the book. All right, so let's see. You know, you get the usual book with the catalog, some basic tools in there. You have the TQ remote. Hopefully the Dexter Gardner's blower is not coming through. But anyway, so you got the battery, a USB charger, and lastly, the Cheyenne. Okay, so here, let's take this plastic off. I love the clipless bodies. That's so much easier than body clips. Here we go. And you know, I know I've said it before, there's just something fun about unpacking a brand new RC. Pulling the plastic off, seeing that nice, clean, pristine body before I go mess it up. Here we go. It's a lot of plastic too. Alright. And there it is. Alright. So let's charge the battery up and we'll take it out and have some fun with this.
Dang it!
All right, well, there you have it. I'll tell you, man, the high trail Cheyenne is fun. It's better than the Defender that I have. It's because of the longer wheelbase, a little higher. It has better clearance, and I was able, as you saw in the video, things that I rolled over and over and over again with the Defender, I was able to get through with the high trail very easily. So I'm telling you guys, man, this TRX-4m is an incredible platform. Go get one at 150 bucks. Get them. It's a great entry point. It's a great way to get into crawling. They really are ready to run. So just grab one, hit the rocks, hit the trails, and let's just start having some fun. So once again, thanks for watching. Remember, please hit the like button and hit subscribe. It really does great to help build the channel, and I really appreciate all your guys' help. All right, keep bashing, keep crawling, and keep having fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.